Thanks for your interest in Freedom app. You may wonder why that extra F in the name. That extra F refers to financial freedom. India got freedom 75 years back, but most of us still don't have financial freedom. True freedom can be felt when we have financial freedom. Before I proceed further, I want to ask you a question. What is the difference between a rich person and a poor person? What do you think? Money? Wealth? Family background? No. The main difference between the rich and the poor is knowledge and the opportunities. Yes, those who have knowledge and access to opportunities become rich, and those who don't have remain poor. We have built Freedom app to provide equal access to high quality knowledge and opportunities to you. I will tell you 5 reasons why Freedom app will help you build your life. Number 1. It is a platform for continuous learning. Choose the courses of your choice and explore ways to build a new life for yourself. Number 2. It is a platform to learn from super successful people. Yes, every course on Freedom app is being taught by exceptionally successful people from respective fields. For example, one of our mentors who teach honeybee farming on Freedom app is earning 4 crore annually by selling honey. A mentor who teaches spirulina farming is earning over 90 lakhs per year from just 1 acre land. Another of our mentor, Dr. Vijay Sankeshwar, the transportation tycoon of India, is personally teaching how to build a successful logistics business. So basically, you will learn from experts of their field in this platform. Number 3. It is a platform to get instant answers to all your questions. You can post your questions related to farming, business and personal finance and get them answered by other members of the app. Number 4. It is a platform where you can sell your products and services directly to over 1 crore users without any middlemen. Number 5. It is a platform to connect with people with similar aspirations like you and to explore opportunities with them. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, explore the app. If you need any assistance, our team of experts are there to assist you. See you inside.